The Mehras are back from their road trip.
Into the shower. Quickly freshen up.
Well, it's freshener time for the Volkswagen too. And with a 25% deduction in service costs, Kabir is gonna feel like he's on an extended vacation. Yes, it's that easy. You can calculate the exact cost of your service using the service cost calculator and book an appointment in minutes. That was quick, right? With a wide network of Volkswagen Service touchpoints across the country, an authorized workshop is not far away from you. The Service Camp. We show you any additional services your car needs beforehand along with the cost. Pretty cool, huh? The cherry on our service experience, the cost. Volkswagen India's vehicle maintenance cost now starts at just 38 paisa per kilometer, less than the cost of a candy. And yes, you will know your exact bill before the service begins. No surprises here. Now you may call it convenient, transparent, accessible, affordable. We just call it service.
Volkswagen.